Hello friends, I am Ambika. Welcome to SA Educational Hub, a platform to share knowledge. Service providers Situn and Ambika. In this Python tutorial, we will learn built-in functions for string in Python, string lower method in Python. Python lower method. The Python lower string method returns a new string where all the letters in the string are converted to lowercase. Non-letter characters in the string remain unchanged. Syntax string.loweer. The lower method does not take any parameter. The lower method does not modify the original string. To get a better understanding of the method, let's examine some examples of string lower method in Python. Example 1. In this example, we assign the string value hello world to the variable string. In the following statement, we apply the string lower method to this string and store the result in a variable s. Then the print statement print s prints the modified string where all the letters are lowercase. The Python lower string method returns a new string where all the letters in the string are converted to lowercase. The lower method is helpful if you need to make a case insensitive comparison. For example, in Python, the strings Julia in lowercase and Julia in uppercase are not equal to each other. However, in the following example, it makes no difference if the user types Julia in lowercase or in uppercase or in mixed case because the string is first converted to lowercase. Example 2. This is a small program to explain how the string lower method is useful to make a case insensitive comparison. In this program, it does not matter whether the user types the name Julia in lowercase or uppercase or a combination of both because the string is converted to lowercase. When you run this program, the input function prompts the user to enter the name, and entering the name Julia in any format such as uppercase or lowercase letters will still keep the output hello Julia because before comparison the string is converted to lowercase. You can make your applications less prone to failure and more user friendly by including code to handle errors or variances in user input such as irregular capitalization. The string lower method is helpful if you need to make a case insensitive comparison. The Python lower string method returns a new string where all the letters in the string are converted to lowercase. Non-letter characters in the string remain unchanged. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Previous video was title method in Python. Next video is upper method in Python. Contact us ambikarai27@gmail.com. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions or suggestions. Thank you.